In 2026, if you're still using one AI agent, you're doing it wrong. You should be now using agent teams. And with tools like Minimax Mavis, you can deploy a whole team of AI agents that don't just produce work, they verify it and test it before it gets back to you. You're not spending your day checking AI output for hallucinations, the work comes out done. That's exactly what I'm walking through today, and I'm going to show you guys the workflow, how it's built, and a real example of how to use agent teams to produce high quality work. So let's get into it. Now the first question you might have is, why do I need an AI agent team? Think about it like this. When you run a real business, you obviously don't hire one person to do everything. You have an HR person, a marketing person, a commerce person, a strategist, and each role is a specialist because no one person is going to do a great job at all of them. The same logic applies to AI. A generalist agent is not going to have the right skills, the right instructions, or the right tools for every job you throw at it. The second you try to make one agent handle everything, you get more hallucination and more confidently wrong answers, and obviously the thing we all hate, more AI slop. The fix for all of this is an AI agent team, a few agents, each one focus on a specific kind of work, and what's really cool is that they all collaborate, work in parallel, they hand off work to each other, but most importantly, they check each other's work. And Mavis is a desktop app that actually lets you run this setup, and is also multi-agent by default, and it has built-in verification, and what's really cool is that you can add your own specialists whenever you need them. So when you open up the Minimax agent application, the first thing you're going to notice is that there's an agent team already built in, and there are already 3 agents that you have. You have a coder, a verifier, and a general. So the general agent is your generalist agent, but you can think of it the one that would be useful for research, writing, planning, summarizing, the stuff that doesn't really need a specialized toolkit. It's your default for anything non-technical. Then the coder agent handles implementation, building scripts, writing apps, reading files, running a test in a sandbox. Anything build related will go to your coder agent. Now the verifier is the one that makes Mavis different. It wakes up after the other agents finish with a completely fresh context. It hasn't seen the conversation, it just looks at the final output and runs an independent check on it, and it catches what other agents miss. So this is what helps you improve your confidence in your code bases. And quick note before I keep going, today's video is actually sponsored by Minimax, the team behind this whole application, and I appreciate them backing this one. I'm only making the video because the architecture is actually worth covering, and the demo coming up should make that super obvious. Now the 3 agents we have here are obviously the starting point. But the real value of Mavis is that you can build your own AI specialists, your own AI agents that are specialized in a specific area on top of this whole agent team. To give you guys a concrete example, I run this channel and I need a marketing specialist, specifically an agent that analyzes my competition in the AI space. And if a video does well, I want to know what made it work, the hook, the pacing, the structure, the language, things like that. And I want it tuned to suggest specific things I can apply to my own videos to make my channel better. So I'll build that agent, and all you have to do is click on this create new agent, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this a marketing agent, and the description I've given it is that you analyze YouTube videos in the AI space, identify what made them good, and suggest improvements. I wanted to give it an icon as well, so I gave it my logo, and I'm just going to press create, and there it is. This is our agent. So now the marketing analyst is now on my team, sitting next to the general, coder, and verifier, and this is the part most people skip. The default agents are basically a baseline, but build the specialist your actual work needs. If you're a lawyer, build a contract viewer. If you're somebody who has an e-commerce business, build a pricing watcher. And the team is supposed to grow with your work. So depending on what tasks you need to accomplish, depending on what you're actually doing, adjust your agent team based off of that. So now I'm going to show you guys how to actually run an agent team whenever you are running a task. So there's a command that you should be familiar with, especially if you're trying to run an agent team. It's called the slash. You would put in the slash command and then put Mavis and then team. So this allows you to run a parallel team, as well allows you to create an agent team or create agents you need. So we'll do this. And then you can give it a prompt. And then depending on the prompt or the task you have given it, it'll decide how many agents it needs and then launch those agents and get work done in parallel mode. As well, let's say if you wanted to just talk to one agent, you'll go on here and just do single agent. And then this forces the agent to only use one agent. And you can specify like, hey, I want you to use the marketing agent, or I want you to use the general agent or coder verifier. So I've done the Mavis team command, and one example I want to show you guys is that over here, I told it that I wanted to use the Mavis team command and launch a paid AI newsletter on Beehive I need the brand identity, 3 sample issues. So there's multiple things here that multiple people on your team would do. You would have somebody focusing on brand identity, someone focusing on the writing, things like that. So you can see it created a plan. So I need to do 6 deliverables across 3 parallel tracks: research, brand and content, and technical. And then it came up with a team. So I need to create 2 specialist agents before launching. So it's going to create a brand writer, which crafts brand identity, writes 3 sample issues in your voice, and then a landing dev, which creates and deploys the Beehive landing page. Then it's going to use a general agent, which will independently cross-check competitor pricing claims and verify the landing page. And then it's asking me, before I create the agents, let me confirm the plan. I'll spin up brand writer and landing dev. So once I confirm it, it will start creating the actual agents it needs depending on the task I've given it and launch the plan. So I'll say yes. So Mavis launched all these other agents, and in parallel, they all work together to produce everything you see on screen. And what's crazy is that this stuff usually would take a normal person a couple of hours to do, or a couple of team members and things like that. You can cut your costs down by working with AI agents, especially AI team agents who are specialized in specific things. For example, this is my brand identity. You can see it on the side over here. Target audience, tone and voice. Obviously, I'm just like one-shotting this. I'm not actually working with this and improving it. So whatever you see is just one-shot examples. But we have our 3 issues over here. The briefing that actually earns your Tuesday morning. Everything there. Issue 2, issue number 3. Then we have a 90-day editorial calendar. So you can see everything like from here all the way down. Week 1, week all the way until like week 11. Then recurring columns and everything, bonus, optional. We also have the pricing model, the analysis it did. Then we have the landing page. Is this amazing? No, because that's not something that I really required the AI agent to do. I can work with this, fine tune it. I just wanted something quick. I just wanted to show you guys the capabilities of using multiple agents. And that's how you would use multiple agents to accomplish a lot of work within minutes. You would use this especially if you're on a time crunch. Let's say your manager or somebody says like, hey, I need this analysis. I need a email. I need a PowerPoint as well. I need to explain this over Teams message or something like that. You can have your Mavis team launch multiple AI agents that gets all of that work done like you would have 3 team members, but they're AI agents instead. So that's the example of how to use your AI agent team, especially through Mavis, especially through the platform that Minimax has built. Now, one thing I want to show you guys that you might not be aware of is that there's a skills page over here, and there's a whole market of skills available to you guys. Meaning, let's say if you're building a specialist AI agent, you could give it a specific skill that you want. For example, my marketing agent I built, I just quickly built it, right? If I really wanted to use this and make it better, I could give it specific skills. For example, you can see everything over here. There's also some skills by Minimax as well. So Minimax has created a social media trend search, for example, a topic picker. Then there are skills over here that I pulled from GitHub and community library called ClawHub, which is obviously used for OpenClaw. And all of these skills are pretty easy. You can give that to your specific agent. So let's say there's a web scraper agent. You can see who it's built by because this is all community-based skills. I can give that to my marketing agent. Let's say for some reason I wanted to give my AI agent this McKinsey presentation generator skill. So if I were to click on this, what this skill basically is, a professional presentation generator for McKinsey consulting style slide decks. I can use this skill to create, obviously, consulting style presentations, and all I have to do is add to my skills. And then if I go over here, if I go to yours, you can see I have my skills section over here, and you can see that I have this skill added. And let's say if I ever want to call this skill, if I just go /command over here, I can do that. So this way I have access to this skill wherever I am. If I wanted to give my marketing agent that specific skill, I could reference that skill and then tell it add this skill to this agent. What it's doing is that it knows that I've added this skill. Now it's just going to link to this agent. So every time I call my marketing agent, it knows what skill to use. That way, if I ever want to call my marketing agent, I don't have to call the specific skills to it because this skill is now linked to this. So let's say hypothetically, if I wanted to continue developing my marketing agent, I wanted to become also not only good at creating presentations, but also good at, for example, like a landing page. I just do that. I add that to my skills section over here. So I have these two that I can link into my marketing agent like I did over there. And your marketing agent grows with you and it becomes smarter as more and more you use it. Now, the last piece I'm going to show you guys is how to create a scheduled task with your specified agent. Let's say I want to create a task with my marketing agent. I wanted to do something every single day at 9 a.m. If I go to the new task section over here, I can give it a name, call it daily update, and I can specify what agent. So we have Mavis, which allows you to obviously use an agent team. We have our Mavis agent, which is basically your agent team. Then you have your general verifier coder. I'll choose my marketing agent, and then I can give it instructions like give me a rundown of the AI news market and draft social media posts on it. And then I can schedule like daily at this time. So I can specify whatever time I want. I can do now, for example, if I just wanted to test this. So let's say if this is the time I wanted to do it, I can just press now and it will select that time and just press confirm. And then it will tell me like, okay, give me a rundown of the AI news market, and it's going to happen. And all your scheduled tasks live here. And then you can manage them. Obviously, you can pause them, you can run them now, you can edit them, and you can delete them. So that's how you can do that. And let's say if I just run this now. So now my marketing agent is going to use all the skills it has access to. McKinsey presentation generator. Obviously for this task, it's not going to need that. So it's not going to obviously use that task, but that's how it's going to run. So you can see right now, it's going through all these websites and it's fetching results for it. Then it's going to give me that rundown based off of the scheduled task I had. Right now, my marketing agent is on work. So you can see here's the thing that's happening. Private AI companies raised this. This is the market rundown. Quen 3, the new model came out, everything. So this is what it is. And then we have all of our LinkedIn posts, our X posts, everything ready for us to go. So that's how powerful this platform it is. But now what's really cool is that you can also connect your mobile phone with it. Using Telegram, you can enter in your bot token, connect it from there, and then you can give off tasks basically through your phone and have your AI agents run, have your AI agent team run, have Mavis run straight from your phone, which I think is an underrated feature of this. So definitely try out this platform, definitely try it out, and let me know what you guys think about this. And if you're still using one AI agent to accomplish your work, hopefully by the end of this video, you probably realize like, hey, I'm kind of missing out. I should create an agent team, use platforms like this and use Mavis and get work done fast. And don't worry, I'm also going to link this platform in the description below so you can try out for yourself and try running an agent team rather than one single agent. But that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Follow our new newsletter as well at universeofai.beehive.com. As well, subscribe to the main channel World of AI and support us on X by following the Universe of AIZ as well. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.